Hey guys, this is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. What I want to do is I want to show you how to reset this watch. Maybe if you want to give this watch to somebody else as a present, or you want to reset the watch for any reason, what you need to do is you need to do this from the app. Download Samsung Galaxy Watch Wearable app. Go to the watch settings. So select watch settings from the phone. Then the next thing to do is you need to scroll down, select general. Then it will show you from the general, you will see preferred engine, language, speech rate, Samsung keyboard, keyboard list and default, orientation, quick response, transfer watch to a new phone. The next is reset. So you select reset. Remotely delete all data on your watch. Once you reset your watch, you can no longer find it with Find My Watch. Your watch data will be backed up to your phone before the watch is reset. If you are happy with it, then you select reset from the phone. Backing up the watch data, so it's backing up the watch. Then you select reset anywhere, cancel or reset, then you select reset. And it will show you on the screen that the watch is resetting. Once you reset the watch, you need to reconnect the watch. You need to set it up again to be able to use it. Now I will show you scanning for device. So now it's scanning for device to add. This is Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic 6. And see, it's still powering on. I like the size. Very smooth, comfortable, and lightweight. This watch can go for professional and casual wear. Samsung Galaxy is secured by Knox. So what it's doing now is restarting afresh. And see, it's getting ready. It will show you select language for you to start to select the language. Then after the language, you select the country and start reconnect the watch. So this is how to reset this watch. Thank you very much indeed.